Customers have long considered Parabola Flows to really be synonymous with their process documentation. It's the reason why they build incredibly complex flows that are super documentation rich and ultimately become the source of truth for all of an organization's operating processes. While most teams that we work with would love it if all of their processes looked like this, super well documented down to the step level, this is often quite impractical because of how time consuming it can be to document a process, especially if that process might totally change next week. Now in Parabola, you can have real-time documentation all the time across all your processes with AI-powered auto documentation. As I click into a step here, you'll see the auto describe button in the top left corner automatically analyzes the settings in a given step and uses AI to generate a description of what we're doing in that step so we can zoom in and see an overview of every step in our process. This will automatically be updated as you build. So let's say I want to filter for any line items where the fulfillment status is equal to unfulfilled. As we show updated results, we'll see the step automatically gets described as we go, giving us a whole overview of all of the transformations across all of our steps. This will be particularly useful for processes where it's important to provide visibility to multiple teammates involved in the process, especially for those flows that can be more complex or processes that break apart into multiple different branches. Next time you're building, enjoy working alongside your documentation co-pilot and let us know what you think. Thanks a lot.